Hey, we're at the range and we're going to test out the Bog Deathgrip with the modification that we put on in the previous video. This is part 2. We're going to test out how well it works with a rifle, how the Arca Rail holds up, and yeah, this is going to be a lot of fun. So here's our Bog Deathgrip right here. We have our ball adapter and so forth. And it seems to work really well. Now, we actually added the top attachment, but we're going to take that off. We'll mount the rifle, and we're going to see just kind of how well this holds up holding a heavy rifle. The rifle we're going to be using is the Ruger Precision Rifle in 6.5 Creedmoor, and it's the custom one that Ruger sells. So it's the upgraded version of the RPR. It's heavy. We're going to see how well this works. We're going to take this part off, which is the base clamp that came with the Bog Deathgrip. This knob right here loosens the Arca Rail. And this comes right off here. Next part is to place the rifle on top and tighten it down. So here's the configuration of the RPR. And as you can see, the ball mount holds this really, really well. You can pan and move as necessary. Now, if I loosen the ball, I can pan very easily. And everything seems to be pretty balanced. I can loosen the ball mount here and adjust as necessary, but then I can lock everything in and prevent the rifle from moving around. We're going to take a couple of shots and see how well this works. Let's give this a shot and see how well it works. Wow, that was pretty good. So, first things first, when shooting this on the tripod, it allows you to steady your aim a lot better, and you're not worried about the weight of the rifle. It's very similar to like bench resting, that if you're out hunting with this, it's a game changer completely. Very easy to set up. This new addition here with the ball mount just gives you so much more control over the rifle in general. Once I had this lined up, slight modifications with my movement, and it's rock solid. It actually helps reduce a little bit of the kick as well. Very impressed with this ball mount. I highly recommend it. Super easy. If you haven't seen, do a search. There's going to be a link in the description down below to part 1, where I show you step by step how to actually install the ball mount. Very easy to do on your Bog Deathgrip tripod. Hey, while I got you here, can you do me a favor? Click that subscribe button down below and click the bell icon to be notified of other videos. It'll help out the channel and we'd highly appreciate it.
How long you think this is gonna last for? 20 minutes? I feel like it, yeah. Right? Look at the ground like perfect time.
Well, closing thoughts when it comes to the conversion kit for the Bog. It's absolutely worth every single penny. There's a link to it plus a discount code in the description down below. Highly recommended, very stable, works like a charm. I'm getting groups this big across the area there. The RPR is a very heavy rifle, and this is holding it like it's nothing. Very impressed. We'll see you again real soon.